So, what is digital planning? Digital planning is simply a digital replacement for traditional paper planning. You use a tablet device such as an iPad and stylus, and it mimics writing in a planner. It's paperless and portable, which means you can ditch the bulky paper planner and have everything you need on your tablet. You can even sync between your iPhone and iPad and access your planner on your mobile phone. How does it work? All the digital planners we design or create are specifically created to be used on a PDF editor app on an iPad. 1. You download a PDF editor app. We recommend GoodNotes, which you can get from the App Store. 2. You then import your digital planner. 3. Customize your planner and start planning your best life. Why switch to digital planning with WorthyGal? There are so many benefits. The customization options are endless. There's no need for stationery. You can use the stickers over and over again. And you can have everything you need to stay organized, all on your tablet. There's no waste and it's much better for the environment. You can even store all of your previous year's planners all in one place on your tablet, which means you can refer to them whenever you need to. If you make a mistake, you can simply erase it and start again. You have the option to write using a stylus or type using a chosen font. WorthyGal planners are full of everything you need to get organised and achieve your goals. We have finance and budgeting pages, meal planning, habit trackers, password trackers, fitness pages, goal-setting pages, to-do lists, debt trackers, cleaning schedules, dream and vision boards, and so much more. In addition, you can create your own layouts, change colours, fonts and decorate and customise your planner with digital stickers. When you join the WorthyGal VIP Club, you'll be part of digital planning membership alongside over 2,500 WorthyGals. You'll be able to choose from hundreds of different digital planners and stickers. Every month, as a member, you receive credits to exchange for whatever you like in the library. You'll receive 300 credits a month, which means you can download a new planner every month, and 3 sticker kits, or you could download 6 sticker kits or 2 new planners. You can choose to spend your credits however you like. When you join today, not only will you receive 300 credits to spend on whatever you like, in addition, you'll also receive all of these products. $300 credits to spend immediately as soon as you join. 300 credits to spend every month for life. Access to a private Facebook group of over 2,500 WorthyGal members. That's a total value of at least $3,160 based on you being a member for 3 years. However, today you can pay once and become a member for life. By joining today, you will receive lifetime access. Never buy another planner again and choose from new products every month. Spaces are limited and this offer is only guaranteed for today. Future membership efforts will be on a monthly and annual membership only. Join over 2,500 women and join the WorthyGal VIP Club today. It's time to plan your dream life.